Welcome back guys, this is Tiger Rick. Today Redmi 10X Pro unboxing and overview. Box all side branding here, bottom side some specs and barcodes here. It is 8 GB RAM, 256 GB of the internal storage variant. It's higher model. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, first I'm open the box, then look phone specs and main highlights. Okay, first open. Okay, open. Insert the box front side, mini box here. Mini box front imaging tool. Inside some paperwork and free case. I'm already opened the box, so case here inside. No, it's Honor case. Okay, yeah, it's Redmi 10X case. Case look like Redmi Note 9 case style. More box inside mobile phone here. Camera setup look like same Redmi Note 9 Pro and Xiaomi Mi 10. Like its setup is same, but camera specs is a little bit different. Okay, I'm later look phone deep. Now put the phone
Okay.
side. More box inside. Type C cable and AC adapter here. This AC adapter support 33 watts fast charging. It's not bad, 33 watts, right guys? See, 33 watts fast charging. Overall, no headphone only here inside the box because Redmi not give you headphone. First look phone display. Display come with 6.57 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED display with HDR10 plus panel. It is AMOLED display so support under display fingerprint scanner. Display top side water drop notch inside front facing camera, bottom side chain is little bit big. I didn't like big chain. Let's look hardware and software. Phone running on Android 10 based in MIUI 11.0.0. See guys, this device main highlight this device processor. MediaTek fast mid-range 5G processor named Dimensity 820. How is it perform day-to-day usage and gaming etc. What about you think guys? This device Benchmark score 4 lakhs. It's not bad. Benchmark score is high, but day-to-day usage, my first impression wise, it's not bad. Running games quite good. Also, I'm playing some different games. It support maximum level settings. It's quite good, right? Video and I'm share this deep gaming review. Phone right side power button and volume rocker key here. Top side IR blaster and second navigation mic. Bottom side speaker grill 3.5 jack and Type C port. Phone backside quad camera setup here. Main camera 48 megapixel with 30x digital zoom. Secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide. Third one 8 megapixel telephoto lens. Last one macro shot. One more main highlight, this device support OIS. Let's look the camera view. Then normal, wide and 30x digital zoom. Yeah, its quality is. What about you think guys? Quality is not bad. Okay, let's look some samples and it is telephoto lens sample. Just grab the image. Yeah, quality is not bad. Okay, the same place 30x digital zoom sample. It's also much better. It's not bad. Then next sample and just grab the image. Quality is good. Then other one. Yeah, it's also quality is good. Deep camera test coming soon guys. Camera wise, it's not bad. Let's look gaming. I'm playing maximum level settings. How is it run Dimensity 820? Let's watch now guys. Coming up deep gaming camera test on my channel.